Let's go.
Hi, my name is Olivia, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of cooking. I think that cooking is really important because if you live alone and you have no money to go to restaurants, you can cook yourself a nice dish and won't starve yourself to death. For me, I learned how to cook mac and cheese from my mom. I am really obsessed with mac and cheese, so whenever my mom cooks me mac and cheese, I would watch her. You can cook mac and cheese by I buy mac and cheese. I cook mac and cheese by going um, to the shopping mall, and I buy the mac and cheese sauce, and I buy mac macaroni, and then I boil the macaroni, and then I pour the sauce inside the macaroni, and that is how I cook mac and cheese. This is the end of my speech. Thank you.
Have you ever wondered how cooking is so important to us? Good morning, everyone. My name is Aaron, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of cooking. Cooking is important in our everyday lives because if we eat too much food from outside, we can get sick and tired of it, and sometimes we might not get enough nutrients. When we cook in home, we can save more money and cook faster because sometimes when we're out in restaurants, it can get quite full in the restaurants. On the topic of cooking, I would like to mention one thing I can cook, which is eggs. But I'm not going to tell you everything, every single type of egg I can cook, but only the simplest